The Fallout series is once again getting a boost in popularity ever since the TV show dropped. Due to this, many fans are now trying the older releases of the game like Fallout 3. However, there is currently an issue preventing them from enjoying it. Fallout 3 players are complaining that the game keeps crashing repeatedly. But before we go further, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing because we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. It appears that every time players try to launch the game or click on the Start New Game option, the game suddenly crashes to the home screen. Even when they get past the Start New Game screen, the game doesn't take too long before it starts crashing again. If you're using an AMD graphics card, there is a potential workaround that is worth giving a shot. A gamer confirmed that rolling back to the older driver version 23.12.1 fixed the crashing issue for them. A lot of PC players were able to solve the crashing related issues by installing this particular mod. The link for it is in the description. You can even try downloading the xlive.dll file from Nexus Mods and then copy pasting it into your Fallout 3 Game of the Year folder. This seems to have fixed the crashing issues for many players. Sadly, it looks like the developers of the game have long abandoned the project and are no longer updating Fallout 3 as regularly. This means that there is little hope for the crashing issues to be fixed entirely, but you can try the workarounds that we mentioned for a potential resolution. We will update the comment section as we come across more fixes. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing because it motivates us to continue making such content. Thank you for watching.